Try stay down, so you know.
Miss Judy! How you cook? You use too much ketchup, man. How you use Eve? You should have used Grace.
I just smell too much.
No, man. You like to can't wait till the mango them ripe. Them smell green and you still a pick them.
What about babes?
Sleep, me asleep. And my nose a tingle, so I figure you down here a cook. Smell like you look ghost sprat.
Janga.
Chappy, and mine was here tell lie. Take down the pan, my seat. Mine was a tell lie. So, you know how me shop today?
Well, Joe told me I try to deal with that thing, you know, and the rain come down for me. Done, so it's set for me already.
Don't worry yourself. Me what me feel. You don't go over this, so.
Nah, man. I have nothing over this.
Oh. Shappy, you cook, but not like something about a man that can cook, just So what you having at the shop?
Door open, you know. Go and have a look now.
Shappy, more service. Shappy, you know my special already. Rough tap and squeeze. What you want? Shappy, me no bother want no oh. Cause everything in here looks stale. Even regular. At least no man not dribble me like ball. So me come out. Where? Jamaica dear. August 6. They were urged to me. Come on, now. You see that girl, Lacey? Hello. What you talk about? When me and Shappy fit in a nothing, we just talk.
Yes, my love. Good there. Proper behavior. I forgot to tell my friend this. No, this is
Later, Goody come.
Browning. You never see the place a leak.
I never know the place a leak. How was that?
I the workman inside I install the AC. Anyways, I let you have early today because them say storm a come and I don't want storm come catch you. So you can leave early today.
Alright.
So the lunch break you say that I go take. What's the food there?
Miss Goody, me no want no over stuff to eat. And, you see girl when you're in 5, I want you want her, yeah. Because I go for buy my lunch and she all up in my face. Like she believes I want shopping.
What is wrong with you and 5? You know, so we have got to talk to 5. She over there now?
Yeah, and you better talk to her before me do her something. But Miss Goody, you use the bathroom here.
$50. But I feel like I get to it. Hello? Are you just a come to in a 5? You come to me? Alright, in the passage.
Yeah. She let me off early. So you know what that means. Meet me at our spot.
5.
What?
Nothing.
More you plug out your bartender before me have to plug her out, you know.
What are you rolling as?
What you know about her?
5. What going shopping?
What
5 then?
You don't know what happened.
Alright, let's soon talk to you later.
I don't like her bone in that girl there.
What should do you?
Let me tell you something where you don't know. She not stop flirt with Shoppy every time when she come over the shop and it look like say she there with. Me there on ya so.
Alright, Goody. Me have mix up figure you and me have blender figure you.
Hold on, let me. Who should I with?
It look like she there with Dogbed.
My dog bed?
Look here. But don't talk to Dogbed already and him tell me say nothing like that. So,
Goody, calm your body. This are the proof. Date. You know, sister, the girl all in your Peruvian wig.
I know my wig, she have my wig and up in the house.
Hello. Shoppy tell me say, Dogbed tell him say, him take out your wig, figure she as gift, figure pan date.
There we go.
My $40,000 wig?
Goody,
No,
girl.
no, we're going to see
Wait,
Goody,
Goody, hold on. Goody, hold on. You don't drink your soup while it hot. You put couple ice cube in there. Come, girl, we have a plan. Come on. We have a plan.
But they're top of the road. Come in and see you. Where you there now? Oh, the blue under?
Hey, them gyal they over there so them a flex like cellular. And to one and I get used regular. I look your man a turn round off the war. Well if I war then I war.